She moves quiet, eyes sharp, and I never know if she's pulling close or slipping away again. She steps in shadows like she's painting the air, a little smirk on her lips like she knows I stare. Barely talks but her eyes play a different game, circling around like she's testing my flame. Every glance feels like a dare to chase. She leans in close then pulls away with grace. She's got that rhythm that keeps my pulse in sway, drifting near, drifting far like she likes to play. She moves slow, then fast, then gone, then back, and I swear she loves the way she keeps me on the edge like that. She dances in circles like she's running for a way into my mind. Yeah, she's soft on the surface, but her heartbeat strikes like a warning sign. She moves in silence, pulling every part of me into her sway. Yeah, she's distant, daring, leaving trails I chase. She moves like a shadow that wants me as prey. Moves like a breeze of the She never says much, but her silence speaks loud. Pulls me in deeper than the sound of a crowd. 1 second warm, next second she's gone, a disappearing neck wrapped in a heartbeat song. Turns her back like she's letting me choose, but every step says I've got nothing to lose. Yeah, she plays distant with the velvet sway, and maybe I like being led astray. She moves slow, I'm fast, then gone. Every move she makes sets a trap on the track. She dances in circles like she's running for a way into my mind. Yeah, she's soft on the surface, but her heartbeat strikes like a warning sign. She moves in silence, pulling every part of me into her sway. Yeah, she's distant, daring, leaving trails I chase. She moves like a shadow that wants me as prey. Shadow, shadow, closer, 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 stay,
Supercharged bass, lasers and stabs, dark, Lego energy.
she slips away, then turns with that look like she knew